Hello guys, and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about pipes and redirects. Okay, now first of all, let's talk about the pipe. As you can see, this is the pipe sign. Sorry about that. This is the pipe sign. As you can see, you press on the shift and the backslash on the keyboard. The backslash button is under the backspace button. Okay, now pipes are used to combine several commands together by taking the input of the first command and making it the input of the second command. Okay, now let's have an example on that. If I just type ls and enter, this command will display for me the content that I have. But first I'll get to the home directory and I'll clear. Okay, now we all agree that ls is the command to display the contents that you have in the directory that you are in. Now I will use the pipe to combine the command ls by taking its output and making this output the input of another command. Okay, now let's try ls alone. I have typed ls and I'll press enter. Okay, so this is the result of the ls command. This time I'll try to type ls and then pipe and then type, for example, the command less. Okay, now as you have seen in a previous lesson, the less command is the command that displays the content of a file. So by this command here, I am asking the shell to display for me the result of ls, the output, which is the content. This is the result of the ls command. I am asking the shell to display for me this result in less. So the command now, the output of the command ls, or the result of the command ls, is being the input of the second command, which is less. So this means that this result will be displayed in less. I'll press enter, and as you can see, the result of the contents of the ls command has been displayed in less for me. I'll press on Q to exit and I'll clear. Okay, now let's have another example. You know, if you type ls -l and enter, it will display for you the content in more details. Right now I'll type ls -l and then I will pipe it with the cat command. Okay, now here this command means take the result of the first command and make it input to the second command. In other words, take the result which will come out from this command and display it in cat for me. I'll press enter. And as you can see, it has displayed it in cat for me. And I'll clear the page. Okay, now let's talk about the redirect. The redirect sign is this sign, the bigger than sign. And redirection means to take the output or the result of the first command and save it in a file. So it is a command and then redirect and then the name of a file. Now let's have an example for that. I'll type the command ls and then I would like to redirect it and save the result that will come out of the command ls in a file by the name ls.txt, and I'll press enter. Right now, if I type ls and enter, you can see here that a file appeared by the name ls.txt. Now, as you can see, that the file name with txt, I will display it with the cat command. I'll type cat and then ls.txt and enter. And as you can see, it displayed for me the result of the ls command. So by this lesson we have seen the pipes and redirects. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.